This is going to be a real quick video, so sorry there won't be any credits because the credits take longer than the video. If you can remember, I had a problem with this fitting that goes into the thermostat housing. This is just the old one for display, but this was not possible to put on, and we were looking around for something with that type of fitting. I think JP said it was a 20 thread per inch and it's somewhat like 9.25 millimeters. It's really bizarre. And it's parallel thread and it was bonded in, so we had to warm it up to get it out. So we've been looking around for things and this, that and the other. What would be a solution? I don't want to sort of make that just for that, because you can't buy that piece separately. You have to buy the whole housing. Literally, you have to buy everything. Thermostat and the little elbow that comes around here, you have to buy everything. I'm not sure if it's £100 or $100. I'm not sure. Probably £100 knowing my luck. So what's the solution? Brass fitting, 1/8 pipe thread, 1/8 pipe thread, 1/4 inch barb which will fit in the pipe. Tap out the hole using an 1/8 pipe thread. Now I'm not going to say BSPU or Unified Pipe or whatever it is in North America, they're a little bit different, but you can tap it out and make a rather decent thread in there, and then you don't even have to drill it out. You just put a thread in it and open it out. And then when you put the barb in, there's just enough there to tighten it down. You don't have to tap it all the way through. But I'm going to tighten it down and put some Loctite sealer around that so it won't come out just like the original. I think that'll work. Is this barb going to be too long? Who cares? You can just cut down a barb or two. In fact, you could cut these last two off and it would still work. So I hope you like that tip. That was cheap and cheerful. I think they were about $4.50 or something like that. I'll put a link below, and I hope it helps you out with your little problems. But it was a cheap fix, not worth making. I mean, why reinvent the wheel when we've got a solution here? See you later.